Hello everyone, Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and for today's video we're going to be doing a range test on the Fortnite Sniper Rifle Blaster BASR-L. It's already loaded, has a 6-dart magazine with the traditional Fortnite darts, and so we're going to do three leveled, 3 angled, starting with leveled. Level shot 1. Level 2. Level 3. Angled. Oh, okay. Angled 2, angled 1, angled 3, last one. Alright, let's take a look. Minimum dart performance on this one was, I think the first one was leveled, so the minimum I saw was closer to about 38 feet for the minimum. Angled made it just under 61 feet, so it's about 60 feet and 3/4 of an inch, or 3/4 of a foot. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and I'm cold. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the firing range test of all the blasters I've done today. And see you guys later.